Sri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. The conversation between four-headed Brahma and the Supreme Lord is going on. Lord Brahma says to the Supreme Lord that, "O Lord, you are seated in everyone's heart as witness. Also, you are in my heart. So being seated in the heart, you know what is going on in my heart and what I want to know. What I want to do next, you already know because everything is known to you in the heart. Please fulfill my desires." Lord Brahma says, "Tathapi natha manasya natha nathaya nathitam paravare tatharupi janiyam te tu arupina." O Supreme Lord, I beg you, please fulfill my desire. You are arupina. You don't have material form. Your form is not material. Even though it is not material, you accept many categories of forms. Either they are subtle or gross. You take many forms, seen or unseen. Please tell me how you live, how you reside in this creation. You are one and alone. You have one form. But you take many forms, many incarnations, many categories of forms. Please narrate this knowledge unto me. I want to know how it happens. Then the Supreme Lord says, "Jnanam param kushyam me yad vijnana samanvitam sarhasyam yadangam cha gruhana gaditam maya." That realized knowledge, which includes pure devotional service, which is the basis of all solutions, which is secret of all secrets, I will reveal to you that knowledge of mine. How I live, how I look, that knowledge. How many categories of forms I take, how I perform all the pastimes there in those forms, all their symptoms, I will explain to you. Then Lord Kṛṣṇa reveals 4 slokas to Lord Brahma. That is called Chatusloki Śrīmad Bhāgavatam. Chatusloki means 4 verses. Those 4 verses are revealed to Lord Brahma, but in sound vibration. He spoke directly. Aham eva sameva gre nanyat yat sat asat param paschadaham yadetancha yova shishyeta sosmyaham. Before this creation, I was only one. There was nothing there when I was there. Whatever you see in this creation, either it be substance or non-substance, that is also me. When this creation is annihilated, destroyed, I still remain. Then he says, Ruteartham yat pratiyeta na pratiyeta chatmani yad vidyad atmano mayam yatha asu yathatama. Whatever you see that seems to be true, seems to be true, and that is separated from me, separated energy of me, but is not permanent, it is temporary. Whatever is felt in this world, that is not a real feeling, temporary feeling, short time feeling, and it's all creation of Maya. It is like a double form. When you open your eyes wide, you see two. Anything you look at it with broadened eyes, you see two. So similar is the situation. Nothing is real, means permanent in this world. Then he says, Yatha mahanti bhutani bhutesu uccavachesvanu pravishtani apavishtani tatha tesu nate swaham. Anything that is gigantic or small, they are all bodies, either gigantic or small. Elephant's body or mosquito's body, they are all constructed of earth, water, fire, air, ether, these 5 material elements. Even though soul seems to be mingled with these 5 elements because it resides in that body, but it is not mingled. I am in them, but not, they are in me, but I am not in them. Na chaham tesu avasthita, Bhagavad Gita. So, I am seated in everyone's heart, but I am not entangled. That is correct meaning. Etavadeva jigyasam, then he says. Etavadeva jigyasyam tattva jigyasunatmana anvaya vyatirekabhyam yatsyat sarvatra sarvada. Very important. Either you are negative attitude or you have positive attitude. Because everything comes from the Lord, so everything should be Lord, because man produces another man or woman. Human produces a human, like that. So from Lord everything came, so you are positive, this is all Brahman, or you are negative, this is not Brahman. Does not matter what attitude you have, positive attitude or negative attitude. Everywhere the Supreme Lord is situated, is all pervading. Either you have negative attitude or positive attitude, you must understand that everywhere Lord is situated, seated. And this is the real truth. Etavadeva jigyasyam tattva jigyasinatmana. Correct. This is the exact truth, that Lord is all pervading. Everywhere He is seated. At all time and everywhere. Sarvatra, sarvada. Every time, all time, and everywhere. There is no place without my presence, he tells Lord Brahma. Anyone who desires to know what is soul, what is spirit soul, and their knowledge, they must practice devotional service. Saying all this, the Supreme Lord told Brahma, "O Brahma, you had performed austerity sincerely, even before seeing me, just by hearing my sound vibration. Therefore, I bless you that you never fall in Maya. It is true, our sampradaya is based on sound vibration. Guru cannot live with you always, not possible. But his sound lives with you. Just like my Guru departed from this world long ago, but he lives with me every time I feel. He is with me. So, by hearing my sound, tapa, you perform austerity very sincerely for a long time. That's why I am before you, and I bless you that you never fall in Maya, even though you will start creating this universal detail the universe. Keep attachment to me. Means devotees should be attached to Lord Krishna, nothing else. Sometimes a boy marries a girl, becomes very attached to that woman. Even spiritual life turns secondary to that boy. The girl marries a boy, and boy becomes everything for her, and give up spiritual life. Spiritual life stands second. That is not the criteria here. Lord Brahma is going to create the details of this universe, and he may fall in Maya, but Lord Krishna is blessing here, Lord Brahma, that you will not be affected by Maya. In every kalpa, right after annihilation, you will be creating, still you will not be touched by Maya. After saying this, Sukadeva Goswami says that after saying this much, Lord Krishna disappeared while Brahma was still watching him. How wonderful is Lord Krishna? Can you imagine that? That even though Brahma was still looking at him, he disappeared. And after disappeared, Lord Brahma folded his hands and paid his obeisances to the Lord. Then Sukadeva Goswami further says that among all the sons of Lord Brahma, born from the mind, from his mind, Narada Muni was very dear to him. Narada Muni served Lord Brahma to satisfy him. When Lord Brahma was satisfied with his service, he revealed the same knowledge which he heard from Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu. What he heard, that same Bhāgavatam, he spoke to Narada Muni and told him to magnify these details and speak to everyone so people can practice to go back to Godhead, devotional service to go back to Godhead, like that. So, O Parikshit, Sukadeva Goswami says, I am revealing to you same Bhāgavatam because Narada Muni told my father when he was despondent and bank of Saraswati. Same knowledge was revealed by Narada to Vyasa, and I am revealing it to you because I heard from him. This is the disciplic succession we must follow. Unbroken chain of disciplic succession. Thank you very much.